Hello, Padraig here, McNally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 182 Toyota CHR Hybrid. This is the style model and it's finished in metal stream metallic paint. The car has a low annual road tax, just €180. It's got a full Toyota service history and it's sold a warranty up until 2022. Now we take a look at some of the features the car has to offer. It has front fog lights as standard with the automatic daytime running lights. It's got front and rear parking sensors. It's got the 18-inch diamond cut multi-spoke alloy wheels with the rear privacy glass also. It's got a nice size spacious boot with fold down seats for additional storage space. Got plenty of legroom in the back with the ISO fix for the car seats also. It's got the keyless entry. It's finished with a brown and a navy cloth interior with centre armrest also. It's got front and rear electric windows and electric fold-in mirrors. It's got the parking assist with the keyless start also. It's got the multifunctional steering wheel with built-in cruise control. It's got the touchscreen radio with the built-in Bluetooth. Satellite navigation also. It's got the dual climate control with the heated seats in the front. It is the USB and aux port. It's got the automatic handbrake with the hill start assist. Being the hybrid, it has the automatic gearbox with the reversing camera built in. And there's just over 64,000 kilometres on the clock. At McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options for this car, as little as €96 per week. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie to view this car and book a test drive. Thanks very much.